Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and we're going to show you how to remove your left front door lock assembly. It can be very easy. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our small pocket screwdriver. Careful not to scuff our paint as much as possible here. All we want to do is pull out this little plastic tabby thing here. Just a little cover. Okay? Nothing special about it. All it does is cover this hole, and the hole covers our little bolt that's right there. What we want to do now is we want to remove that bolt. Let's see. We're going to use our Torx bit 27. Looks like a star. There we are. The bolt itself should stay right in there. Okay. Now we're going to come out here. Just going to grab onto our lock cover here, pull that right out. So here we are. This is the back side of the lock. Okay. Right here, you can tell there's a little tab. All we're going to do is lift, try to pry this little thing out of here. It should come right out. There we are. Easy peasy. Okay, so let's just take a look at it real quick. This is the way it goes in. You get this little shifty thing right there. Just gonna go in there like that. This piece right here. Use my pocket screwdriver. And try to separate it a little bit and slide it in. There we are. Looks like it's good to go. Let's go ahead and install this into the vehicle. Make sure our bolt isn't sliding through. Sometimes it likes to try to come back through. We don't want that yet. The locking assembly, this unit right here, is pretty much what holds your handle assembly in. So once we get this in and bolted in, it's gonna hold in the door latch, or door handle I should say. All right, we'll take our T27. We're just gonna snug this up. Okay, bottomed out, give it a little bit, and grab our cover. There we are. Okay, windows down, just in case. Flawless. Booyah.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.